Hello everyone, hope everyone are safe. So today I'm going to explain about our algometrics. So most of them asked about algometrics, how it actually works. So I will explain you today. See, algometrics is a simple tool. It is based on the mathematical calculations. So by keeping this you can make money. Okay, so we are not using any technicals or charts or indicators or anything else, right? So it is based on pure mathematics. So let me explain about this today. Okay, so we have made amazing profits today, so let me explain how we have taken that call and everything. Okay, so I'm going from bank nifty today because I gave a bank nifty call today. So algometrics is nothing, it will calculate everything and it will give you your results. So according to that you are going to take the trades and you are going to make money. Okay, so algometrics, I have loaded the bank nifty data here. You need not to type anything. Okay, it is preloaded. We will take EOD every day, so just it's half an hour work. So after taking the DOD and you are going to insert in our algometrics, that's all. So I'm clicking the WAP. So after clicking the WAP, we can find the trend for nifty and bank nifty for the particular day. Okay, so here we have divided as two parts. One is the positive side, the numbers which we are seeing in green color, that is the positive side, and numbers which you are seeing a red side is the negative side. Okay, so what is the open price today for bank nifty? So today's open price for bank nifty is 33,779, right? 33,779 is the open price. So let me check in algometrics. So your 33,779 is locating here, right? So it indicates the negative trend, right? So only if breaks this 34,028, it is the uptrend for the particular day. But what the what it indicates means it is pure downtrend, right? So once it breaks 34,028, we can see a up move, but breaking this 34,028 is very risky. Okay, so 95 percentage it won't break. Okay, so you can get good trades on the short side, right? So what was the high made today? 33,913, right? So see here, you will get 33,906, right? So from here, if market moves up, this 33,906 will act as a resistance, right? So it can't break that 34,028 here, right? So you can clearly identify that market is in complete sell trend, so we can go short that perfectly. But at the same time you need a confirmation, right? Nobody knows whether if breaks 906 and if goes up, we don't know anybody where it will end, right? So for that confirmation we have to click one more click, right? So see here, now our openness at this area, right? So here you can see R plus and S minus, right? So now what I want to do is, when open prices in green side, I want to click the R plus, and when open prices in the red side, I want to click the S minus, right? So I'm clicking the S minus. After clicking this S minus, I will get results in the second frame, right? So after that, what you want to do is check the open price here. Okay, where it is located, whether if it is in green side or red side. So what is the open price? 33,779. So it is lying in the green side, right? Here in between these two prices, right? So whenever it is lying at the green side, I want to click the ACC, sorry, AS and DR, right? So at the same time, if it is opening at the red side, I want to click DR and AS. Now the situation is, I want to click the AS and DR because it is opening in the green side, right? So I want to click the AS and DR, right? So I want to click the AS and DR. Why? Because I have clicked the S minus here because my open price is around this particular area, right? So I have clicked the S minus, right? After that, what you want to do? After that, you need to see the open price here. So your open price is 33,779. It is around here. So I am clicking the AS and DR. So now the work is done. That's all. So now you can see 33,834, right? So once if touches the 33,906, and once again if it is reversing and breaking this 33,834, you can go for the short. You can go for the short for the with the stop loss of this resistance 33,947. You can place the resistance at here. You can place the stop loss at this resistance 33,947. You can go for the short. So 33,834, if you are taking position here, your first target will be the 690. Okay, and the second target, if you need to find the second target, just click the D or once again. Okay, so now you will get 611 and next 559. So this will be the final target. So 559 is the final target. So based on this only we have given a 33,900 PE at 185. Okay, so 185, and finally it made high around 632. It made high 632. This was the perfect trade. 632, 185 to 632. See the returns you got here, and the stop loss for Bank Nifty is just around 120 points, right? So around 120 points you are with the stop loss of 120 points. So 834 with, yes, it is below 120 points, right? So from for the risk of 110 to 115 points, you are getting target of 500 points in Bank Nifty, right? In the PE you are getting around 400 to 450 points. So what was the Bank Nifty low today? 33,387. It was a huge profit, but you are not going to wait for this perfect low under. If your target hits, you need to exit, right? So what is your target? 559. That is completely enough, right? That is good profit, right? From 834 to 559, it is a big profit. So book that and you can exit. So the same we have take one more call in the Bank Nifty at the same level. Okay, that is first entry was around 185 and second entry was 240. We have taken a second entry also. So second entry is at same level. Once again after hitting the low of 690 something, after that once again it came to 850. 33,850. So we know very well that market is in complete sell trend. And the next thing is, see here, this is the resistance. So it can't break this 33,860. Okay, if you have seen in charts, you can understand well. Wait a minute, it's taking time. Okay. Okay, see here, after making the low of 676, once again it went up to 854, right? 850 exactly at 855. Okay, but what is our resistance here? 834. Once it breaks 860 only, it can go further up movement. Okay, but it won't break because you know very well the trend is downtrend for the particular day, right? So once again we have taken a short position here, and after that we have booked our profit at the final target of 559 around this area. Okay, so this was the perfect trade you got today, right? So, and next thing is Wokat Pharma. Wokat Pharma, we have given a call there. Okay, so Wokat Pharma is nothing. I'm clicking the web. So after that, see here, see, and the trend, we can identify the trend only for Nifty and Bank Nifty, not for stocks. Okay, so for stocks based on Nifty on Bank Nifty only, stocks want to move, right? So we want to identify the trend for the Nifty. If Nifty and Bank Nifty is in sell trend, you need to try to short the stocks at the higher level only. You should not try to buy. Okay, the same level. What is the open here? Wokat Pharma. I'm taking the Wokat Pharma. See here, here I have given a call around 711 to 730. Okay, so see the low made around 679, 678. So let us check in algometrics, right? So where is my open price? Open price is for the OCAD firma, open price is 685, right? So 685. Okay, so 685 is around here, right? It is opening in the green side, right? So but we need to short the market, right? Because market is in complete sell trend, right? So I want to click the R plus. So my open is locating at the green side, so I'm clicking the R plus. After that, see the open price here. What is my open price? 685, right? 685. So 685. So in between this area, if it is lying in between these two areas, if it is lying in between these two areas, it should be considered as the green side only. So I want to click the AS, sorry, I want to click the AS and D4 and wait for the opposite side breakdown. So what was the high made? See here, 715. So 711 is facing a strong resistance, right? So it won't break 716, right? So we are taking a short position at 711 to 730. Okay, so like the way we have given in Telegram also. Okay, sell OCAD firma at 711 to 713 and for target of 700 and stop loss above 722. Okay, because we know very well it won't break this 716, right? So we have taken a short position and we made a good profit here. Okay, and the same we have taken a M6 call in crude oil, right? So silver mini we got entry, but we don't give any calls. So let me explain the crude oil. So crude oil, so what is the open price for crude oil? So crude oil, so open price is 4662, right? 4662, right? So where it is, so it is in between this area, so we should consider that as a green side. So I'm clicking the R plus. So after clicking the R plus, where is my open price now? So it is in the red side, so I want to click the DR and AS, right? So 62 is here, right? So we know very well. So it if it is breaking 662, we can go for short. Okay, but it went up to 699 and after that only it broke 4662, right? So we need to wait for the breakout. Okay, so after breaking 4662, our target is 4598. So our target was done here. Okay, so like the way we are taking the calls in based on our algo matrix, so we are booking the profits, right? So we are not using any technicals or anything. So those who want to join our algo matrix training session, you can ping me. I have given my WhatsApp number in my description. You can ping me at any time. So our next batch is starting from 29th May. Okay, so those who are willing to join, you can join with our training program, and you will be in a premium group and students group for the lifetime validity. And algomatrix is not a subscription based, it is completely a lifetime validity. Okay, so it is one time payment. You should join our training program and you should get the algomatrix. So after that you can start your own trade. Okay, so thank you all. Please like the video and share the videos to your friends, and please subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's see in our next video. Okay, bye.